Good morning, students. Let us discuss now question number 8 in exercise 1.1. Use the method of averages to write two rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. We have to find two rational numbers between these two numbers. First, we have to take the number 14 by 5 as A and 16 by 3 as B. Now, we are going to find the average of these two numbers. Average, let me take C1 be the average. So, the formula is A plus B divided by 2. We have to add A and B and we have to divide by 2. So, C1 equal to, we will take this 1 by 2, A plus B, A value 14 by 5 plus B value 16 by 3. Now, we have to add, here the denominators are different 5 and 3. So, we have to take a LCM. Here both are prime numbers. So, LCM will be product of these two numbers. 5 3s are 15. So, we have to multiply here 3 and we have to multiply here with 5. Okay. So, 14 3s are, we know that 42 plus 16 5s are, it is 80. Now, 1 by 2 as it is, then 42 plus 80, the answer is 122 divided by 15. Now, we can cancel 122 by 2 so that we can simplify. 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12 and 1 2s are 2. Now, our C1 will be 61 divided by 15. In between A and B, we found C1. Next, we are going to find C2 between A and C1. So, C2 will be A plus C1 divided by 2. So, we will take 1 by 2 as common. This 1 by 2 we will take out. Then A will be 14 by 5 plus C1 will be 61 by 15. Here LCM of both is 15. So, 1 by 2, 15 will be the LCM. Now, 41 into 3, because 5 3s are 15. So, we have to multiply 3 here. If we are multiplying, the answer will be 42 plus 61. Now, 42 plus 61, the answer is 103 divided by 2 into 15, the answer is 30. Further, we can't simplify. So, our C2 answer will be 103 divided by 30. So, we found two numbers between A and B. Now, the order of the number is A less than C2 less than C1 less than B. We can write the number also. A 14 by 5, C2 103 by 30, C1 you can write 61 by 5, 15 less than B value 16 by 3. This is our required answer. Next question number 9. Compare the following pairs of rational number. So, they have given 3 subdivision. I will do 1 subdivision for you. Remaining 2 will be your homework. First subdivision I will do first. The given question is minus 11 by 5, minus 21 by 8. We have to compare now. To compare the rational numbers, first we have to check the denominator, whether denominator is equal or not. If it is equal, we have to compare the numerator and then we have to conclude. If it is not equal, we have to make it, then we have to compare. Here 5 and 8 both are different denominators. So, we have to take a LCM. 5 8s are 40 is our LCM value. So, in order to change it is 40, we have to multiply by 8. The answer will become minus 88 by 40. If I multiply with the 8, I will get minus 88 by 40. Next, here the number is minus 21 by 8. In order to get 40, I have to multiply with 5. If I multiply here, minus 105 divided by 40. Now, the both numbers are negative. If it is positive, 88, 105, which one is greater? 105 is greater. If it is negative, 88 is greater than 1 minus 105. Minus 88 is greater than minus 105. So, the answer will be this one. So, minus 88 by 40 will be greater than minus 105 by 40. Why it is? Because in number line we know that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So, compared to minus 1, minus 2 is the least number. Compared to minus 2, minus 3 is the least number. So, if it is positive, 88 is less than 105. If it is negative minus 88 is greater than minus 105. Okay. Next we will see question number 10. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending and descending order. There are two subdivisions. I will do the second subdivision for you. First one will be your homework. The given numbers are minus 17 by 10, minus 7 by 5, 0, minus 2 by 4, minus 19 by 20. Here every number is what? Negative number except 0. So we have to arrange this number into ascending and descending, ascending and then descending. So we can arrange either one, then we can write the reverse order for another one. So I will take the number. First I have to conclude which one is the least number, which one is the greatest number. For that I need to change every denominator as the same denominator. Here given numbers are 10, 5, 4, 20. It is different. So I have to take LCM 10, 5, 4, 20. So I will divide by 5. I will choose 2 first because 4, 20 both this will divide by 2. So I will choose 2. So 5 2s are 10, 5 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 10. So again I can choose 2 in order to get 1 here. So remaining value as it is here, it will be 5. If I divide by 5, remaining everything will be 1. So what is our LCM? 2 into 5. Am I right? So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So our LCM is what? 20. So now what we have to do? We have to change our numbers, every number's denominator into 20. So very simple. We have to write one by one and we will change this. Minus 17 by 10. In order to get 20, we have to multiply by 2. So 17 into 2, 34. Here it is minus. So minus 34 divided by 20. Next minus 7 by 5. We have to multiply with 4. So the answer is minus 28 by 20. Next one is 0. We have to 0 by 1. Actually it is in rational number format. We have to multiply by 20 in order to get 20. So 0 by 20. Next number is minus 2 by 4. We have to multiply by 5. So the answer is minus 10 by 20. Next number is minus 19 by 20. It is already denominator, it is 20. So no need to change anything. Now we have to arrange either descending or ascending first. So I will choose first ascending order. Ascending in the sense least number to greatest number. Least number to greatest number. In this, which one is least number? The number which has highest one. 34 is the highest one. In negative number, as I said now, the least value should be the greatest value. So minus 34 is the least number. So minus 34 by 20 is the least number. Next least number is minus 28 by 20. Next least number is minus 19 by 20. Next least number is minus 10 by 20. Next number is 0 by 20. Okay, this is our required ascending order. Okay, we have to write descending order by reverse this order. So descending order will be, I will dictate, you just write. Descending order will be 0 by 20, then minus 10 by 20, next minus 19 by 20, next minus 28 by 20, next minus 34 by 20. So this is our required answer. Same method, question number 10, first subdivision 1 you must do. So students, I will meet you in next class. Kindly go through everything whatever we have learned to today's class. Thank you so much.